The 2022-2024 Ford Expedition key fob includes a remote start function for added convenience. Here's what the key fob looks like, featuring several buttons for different functions. The remote start is activated using the 2X button, which shows a lock icon with a car outline. Press the lock button twice quickly to start your vehicle from up to 200 feet away. This lets you precondition the cabin, warming it up or cooling it down before you enter. This video will guide you through the complete process. To use Remote Start, ensure your Expedition meets these vehicle conditions. The engine must be off and all doors must be closed. For 2022 models, the vehicle must be locked, while later models may allow Remote Start when unlocked. Always check your owner's manual for your specific model. You must be within 100 to 200 feet of the vehicle with a clear line of sight for the key fob to work properly. To activate Remote Start, press the lock button on your key fob twice in quick succession within 1 to 2 seconds. The vehicle will confirm by honking the horn or flashing the lights, signaling that the Remote Start command was received. The engine will start and run for an initial 10 to 15 minutes. To extend the runtime, repeat the double press of the lock button before the initial 10 to 15 minutes expire. The Remote Start system includes automatic shutoff if the engine exceeds safe parameters, such as overheating. This protects your vehicle from damage. The system also disengages automatically if a door is opened during Remote Start, preventing unauthorized use. These safety features work through reliable components to protect your vehicle and prevent unauthorized access. The Ford Pass app integrates seamlessly with your Expedition's Remote Start system. Available on 2023 and newer models, it allows you to start your vehicle from anywhere with cellular service. The app provides comprehensive vehicle control beyond just remote starting. You can monitor your vehicle's status, remotely lock or unlock doors, and control the engine. This smartphone integration works alongside your physical key fob and enhances the overall connected experience. Always verify your specific Expedition model supports these app features. Ford has implemented enhanced security protocols via over-the-air updates to address keyless entry vulnerabilities. These updates often require a confirmation beep or light flash before remote starting, reducing unauthorized access. Keep your vehicle software up to date for optimal security. Remote Start technology is evolving towards deeper integration with connected vehicle ecosystems, allowing seamless connectivity across devices and services. Future features may include AI-enhanced predictive start, automatically starting your vehicle based on calendar appointments or weather conditions. Biometric authentication on key fobs could replace traditional buttons, using fingerprints or facial recognition for added security. Expect increased app integration, allowing more smartphone controls and reducing reliance on physical key fobs. Energy-efficient start optimization in hybrid models will optimize battery usage and reduce environmental impact.